Hello children, in this video we are going to revise 1 mark in chapter 6 nuclear physics. Discoveries of subatomic particle. J. Thomson discovered cathode rays known as electrons. Goldstein discovered positive rays, but positive rays were named as protons by Rutherford. James Chadwick discovered chargeless particle called neutrons. The dense central part present in an atom is called nucleus, that only contribute the mass of an atom. Discovery of radioactivity. Marie Curie and her husband Pierre Curie detected radioactivity in the ore pitch blende. The phenomenon of nuclear decay of certain element with the emission of radiation like alpha, beta, gamma rays is called radioactivity. Uranium and radium are the examples of natural radioactivity. The element whose atomic number is more than 83 undergo spontaneous radioactivity. Atomic number is nothing but number of electrons or number of protons present in an atom. There have been 29 radioactive substances discovered so far. Artificial radioactivity, otherwise called man-made radioactivity, that is radioactivity by human intervention. Artificial radioactivity was discovered by Irene Curie and F. Joliet. In nuclear reaction, the nucleus which undergo disintegration, that is unstable nucleus which undergoes disintegration is called parent nucleus. In nuclear reaction, which nucleus is produced after disintegration is called daughter nucleus. The particle which is used to induce the artificial disintegration in a nuclear reaction is termed as projectile. The particle which is produced after the disintegration in a nuclear reaction is termed as ejected particle. Next, unit of radioactivity. Curie is the traditional unit of radioactivity. 1 Curie equal to 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegration per second. Next, Rutherford. It is also a unit of radioactivity. 1 Rutherford equal to 10 power 6 disintegration per second. Next, Becquerel. It is represented by symbol BQ. Becquerel is the SI unit of radioactivity. The radiation exposure of gamma and X-rays is measured by another unit called Roentgen. Uranium, named after the planet Uranus, was discovered by Martin Klaproth. Soddy and Fajans framed the radioactive displacement law. Natural radioactivity cannot be controlled, but artificial radioactivity can control because it is man-made. The elements with atomic number less than 83 undergoes artificial radioactivity. Gamma rays are electromagnetic waves consisting of photons. The charge of alpha rays is positive. The charge of gamma rays is 0. The gamma rays has very less ionizing power. The ionizing power of alpha rays is 100 times greater than beta rays. The penetrating power of alpha rays is very low. A thick paper can stop it. Gamma rays have a very high penetrating power when compared with alpha and beta rays. Gamma rays can penetrate through thick metal blocks. The speed of beta rays are 9 by 10 times the speed of light. The speed of alpha rays are 1 by 10 to 1 by 20 times of the speed of light. A nuclear reaction in which an unstable parent nucleus emits an alpha particle and forms a stable daughter nucleus called alpha decay. That is, during nuclear reaction, if alpha particle is emitted, that is called alpha decay. What is the alpha particle? 2 helium-4 is alpha particle. The symbol -1 E0 is beta particle. In a nuclear reaction in which an unstable parent nucleus emits a beta particle and form a stable daughter nucleus called beta decay. That is, in a nuclear reaction, beta particle is emitted, then it is called beta decay. Otto Hahn and F. Strassmann discovered the process of nuclear fission. What is nuclear fission? The process of splitting up of heavy nucleus into two smaller nuclei with releasing energy is called nuclear fission. The average energy released in each fission process is about 3.2 into 10 power minus 11 joule. A fissionable material is a radioactive element which undergoes fission in a sustained manner when it absorbs a neutron, also termed as fissile material. Uranium-238, thorium-232, plutonium-240 are example for fertile materials. What are called fertile materials? The radioactive elements which can be converted into fissionable are called fertile material. A chain reaction. It is a self-propagating process in which the number of neutrons goes on multiplying rapidly, almost in a geometrical progression. The chain reaction, which is sustained in a controlled manner, is called controlled chain reaction. Controlled chain reaction only used in a nuclear reactor to produce energy. An atom bomb works on the principle based on uncontrolled chain fission reaction. During a nuclear fission process, some of neutron may escape from the system, that is termed as a leakage of neutrons. The minimum mass of a fertile material necessary to sustain the chain reaction called critical mass. If the mass of the fissile material is less than the critical mass, then it is named as subcritical. If the mass of the fissile material is more than the critical mass, termed as supercritical. An atom bomb consists of a piece of fissile material whose mass is subcritical. Electron volt is the unit used in nuclear physics to measure the energy of small particles. 1 electron volt equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joule. 1 million electron volt equal to 10 power 6 electron volt. The energy released in a nuclear fission process is about 200 mega electron volt. The two lighter nuclei combine to form a heavy nucleus is known as nuclear fusion. The average energy released in each fusion reaction is about 3.84 into 10 power minus 12 joule. The concept of mass energy equivalence was proposed by Einstein equation E equal to mc square. The velocity of light is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. The nuclear bomb that was dropped in Hiroshima during World War II was called as Little Boy. The bomb, which was subsequently dropped over Nagasaki, was called as Fat Man. Nuclear fusion is only possible at an extremely high temperature of order 10 power 7 to 10 power 9 Kelvin. Nuclear fusion, also named as thermonuclear reaction, because it only occurs at extremely high temperature. The energy released by sun in the form of light and heat are termed as stellar energy. Fusion reaction only takes place in the core of sun and other stars to release stellar energy. Hydrogen bomb is based on the principle of nuclear fusion. The energy released in hydrogen bomb is much higher than that released in an atom bomb. Nuclear fission can be performed at room temperature, but nuclear fusion only performed at extremely high temperature and pressure. Alpha rays, positron and neutrinos are emitted during nuclear fusion reaction. Nuclear fission reaction causes genetic transform diseases. Sun fuses about 620 million metric tons of hydrogen each second, and sun radiates 3.8 into 10 power 26 joule energy per second. Next, uses of radioisotopes. Radiosodium, that is sodium 24, is used for the effective functioning of heart. Radioiodine is used to cure goitre. Radioiron, iron 59, is used to diagnose and treatment for anemia. Radiophosphorus, phosphorus 32, is used in the treatment of skin diseases. Radio cobalt and radio gold are used in the treatment of skin cancer. Californium is used in airlines to detect the explosive in luggages. An isotope of americium. It is used in many industries as a smoke detector. In archaeological research, radiocarbon dating is used to determine the age of earth, fossils, old paintings and monuments. The age of earth is nearly about 4.54 into 10 power 9 years. ICRP. ICRP is International Commission on Radiological Production. ICRP recommended the safer limit of receiving the radiation is 100 milliroentgen per week. If the radiation exposure is 100 roentgen, it may cause leukemia, that is blood cancer. When the body exposed to about 600 roentgen, it leads to death. Dosimeter is a device used to detect the levels of exposure to an ionizing radiation. Nuclear reactor. It is a device in which nuclear fission reaction takes place in a self-sustained and controlled manner to produce electricity. The first nuclear reactor was built in 1942 at Chicago, USA. The component of nuclear reactor. Moderator. It is used to slow down the high energy neutrons to provide slow neutrons. Graphite and heavy water are commonly used as moderators. Control rods. Control rods are used to control the number of neutrons in order to have sustained chain reaction. Boron or cadmium rod are used as control rods. A coolant used to remove the heat produced in the reactor core. Water, air, and helium are commonly used as coolant. Nuclear reactors are widely used in power generation. Breeder reactors are used to convert non-fissionable materials into fissionable materials. Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba was the first chairman of Indian Atomic Energy Commission. Nuclear power is the fifth largest source of power in India. Tarapur Atomic Power Station is India's first nuclear power station. Apsara was the first nuclear reactor built in India and Asia. There are 22 nuclear reactors operating in India. Read all these 1 mark for your NEET preparation and write your example.